toward dreams, but the walls rise high. Eager for freedom, but rules pass me by. Restless with limits, frustration in tow. Learning to channel which way I should go. Blocked by resistance, but driven to try. Patience and effort in every reply. Brick by brick, I'm building the way, balancing hope with the work of today. Pushing through pressure, but learning to see discipline leads where I wanna be. Oh. Yeah. Moments of tension when passion is stalled, tempered by structure, my vision is cold. Slowly and steady, my progress is made.